Okay, okay, we're live guys. Okay. Okay, Wi-Fi connect. Okay guys, ayan, la-live tayo. Ito po, mag-iihaw po tayo guys ng ating tilapia. Okay, pausukan na natin yan. Yan guys ang ating tilapia na umuusok. Yung drone sa ibabaw. Ayan. Okay, pinausukan po natin ng ating pagkain. Yan. Ano natin. Okay guys, ayan po, nasa okay, 60% na yung battery ng drone. Ayan, 59. Thank you for watching guys. Yun po ang ating drone. Okay, si Falcon. Yan. Okay guys, ayan. Thank you for watching. Inihaw. Okay guys, ayan, iniihaw po natin yung ating isda. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay guys, ayan, tayo ay nag-iihaw. Okay, iniihaw po natin guys. Okay guys, bye bye. Okay, naalikabukan. Okay, the eldas natin. Okay guys, ayan, ang inihaw ay anyhow. Okay, bye-bye guys. Okay, ito po si Michael, Drone Aerials Recreationite and the Dr. Motorcycle Specialist. Inihaw na tilapia. Bye-bye.